Hi guys, today we're demonstrating our 445L project. I'm Mohammed.
I'm David.
And for our project we decided to do a wireless controlled LED array. We're controlling the LEDs based on the motion of this glove here. So as for the hardware, we have a couple flex sensors on the fingers, which based on the variable resistance change the colors of the LEDs. And we also have an accelerometer on the hand. So based on the motion of the hand, based on the tilt of the hand, we can determine different schemes of patterns on the LEDs.
So to get the ADC data to the PCB, we use ESP8266 point-to-point communication system, where our glove will act as a client. The microcontroller will take in the input, and one of the ESP8266 on the glove will send our data to the PCP ESP8266, which will be behaving as a server access point. After ESP8266 gets that data, it will let the microcontroller process it, and will generate the PWM output based on our software.
Okay, so let's start with a demonstration. So for mode 1, we have a flex sensor mode where we control the LEDs based on the 3 fingers. So my thumb is controlling 4 of them, my index, and then my ring, all 4 at the same time. Completely wireless, no wired connection whatsoever. All right. For the second mode, we have a make your own color feature. So if I want to clear the color, I just make a motion like that, and then I can control the red, green, blue, and the LEDs based on my 3 fingers. So I'll add red with my thumb, add green with my index, and add blue with my ring finger. I can make purple with red and blue, very simple like that. And I can also take away the intensity of the red by moving my hand to the left. Okay. For mode 3, what we have is a rainbow sweep. The colors are going to sweep in a rainbow based on the tilt of my hand. So to the right, I can make it go towards blue. And then to the left, it will sweep in the other direction. And finally, for mode 3, we have a random sequence of flashes based on the 3 fingers, red, green, blue. Alright guys, to wrap things up, I want to talk a little bit about the hardware and software side of the project. As for the hardware, the really cool thing we got to do was design our own PCB, see it come out of fabrication, and then solder everything together. We had some difficulties along the way. Some of the resistors and the connections were shorted, but that was fun to configure. And then as for the glove, it was really interesting. Calibrating all the sensors, calibrating the flex sensors, and calibrating the accelerometer to work perfectly as we envisioned it to be.
So for the software side, one of the main features of this project is that it's completely wireless. So we have to configure the ESP8266 point-to-point communication. And this device will also work from a far distance away. So we can have the glove like 100 meters away from the LED, and you can still wirelessly control it. So that's like the major feature of the software part. So this is our project. We hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching.